Artistic Director of Cork City Ballet, Foley, celebrates 25 years of the company here in New York with the premiere of his film documentary, Breaking Pointe. Breaking Pointe not only documents 25 years of Cork City Ballet, but depicts how the founder and artistic director, Foley, began his early training with the re-owned Joan Denise Moriarty School of Dance and the Cork Ballet Company.
This evening is a very special event. It is the premiere of Cork City Ballet's movie documentary Breaking Pointe, which basically outlines the struggles and the wonderful achievements that we have had during the company's 25 years in existence. And it's based on the legacy that was bestowed upon us by Dr. Joan Denise Moriarty and Alois Fleischmann. There's a 90-year tradition of ballet in Cork, and Cork City Ballet has been in existence now for over 25 years. So this sort of documented our journey.
For the New York City premiere, Cork City Ballet partnered with Origin Theatre Company. Origin Theatre premieres a diverse range of contemporary European theatre in New York City. Artistic Director of Origin Theatre Company, George Heslin, expressed his enthusiasm about partnering with Cork City Ballet.
We're so happy to be promoting Cork City Ballet here in New York, number one, and also raising the platform of their organisation here in New York City, which of course is the home of international dance, one would say.
Being that New York City is home to Broadway and the arts, it was fitting that Cork City Ballet held its premiere here. Consul General of Ireland in New York, Ciarán Madden, spoke about his strong relationship with Cork City.
Cork City Ballet has a special place in my heart because I'm from Cork City and I was living there when the ballet was founded, and we were so proud that a world-class ballet could be founded in a small city like Cork. I hope that the people who come in get a sense of what Cork City Ballet is about and see how they can get involved with it, even from over here with Ashley Tiffany and the team who are supporting the ballet in New York. People might look and see how they can get involved to help the ballet in the future.
I'm really excited, one, because my mother's from Cork, she's from West Cork, and she's very proud. The Irish Consul General, Ciarán Madden's from Cork as well. And it's just very nice to have this event here in New York City, and it's just great just to be here.
Breaking Pointe is heading to Los Angeles next month, and the crew plans to tour until the next production of Swan Lake in November. For more information about Cork City Ballet, visit www.corkcityballet.com. Reporting for BronxNet, Ashley Tiffany.